Hey y'all, WILDKYLE here. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be a whole lot different. I have not been able to get out and do much hunting because I ruined my feet. I don't think I really ruined them, but I did a lot of walking and I think I overused them, and essentially what I understand is I'm experiencing extensor tendonitis, so the tendons on the tops of my feet are inflamed and it hurts to walk. I have to be careful. I can't go out and do very much strenuous stuff right now because I don't want it to start over. Hopefully it's feeling better within a couple days. I'm not sure. But I wanted to get a video out anyways, and a lot of y'all were asking to see those crystals from my last video all cleaned up. So I took the advice of Derek the Rock Master, and I put about an 80-20 bleach water solution and soaked them for a little while, and they got really nice and clean. And then I put mineral oil on them, and then I put them in the oven at 400 degrees for 10 minutes. That probably sounds crazy, but Derek the Rockmaster knows what he's talking about, and it made them absolutely beautiful. So what I'm going to do in today's video is going to show you guys a bunch of close-ups of all the crystals, or my favorite ones at least, not every single one because there's a lot. But I'm going to show you some close-ups of my favorites, and I'll probably just throw some music behind it and stuff. I'm not doing any talking or anything like that. I'm just going to throw some music behind it, and it'll be just a nice relaxing video for y'all to check out the crystals in close proximity, all intimate and stuff, and you know, you could propose to them if you wanted. I don't know why I said that. Anyways, I think it'll be a cool video either way, and a nice video to tide us over until I can get out when my feet feel better. So thanks for hanging in there, guys. Let's get the video started right now. I'm going to interrupt the crystal viewing for just a moment because I want y'all to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you have not already, if you are enjoying it. And also, I want you to let me know in the comments below what your favorite crystal you're seeing today is. And there you have it, everybody. There's some of my favorite crystals all cleaned up. I think they came out absolutely beautiful. Very unique coral heads that were replaced with calcite crystals. Probably my favorite calcite crystals I've ever found. So very excited about it. Thanks for watching today, y'all. I will see you in the next video.